Hi, I'm Scott with Portal Pros, and today we're going to talk about portal axles. So what's a portal axle? Well, put simply, it's a gearbox that goes and replaces your wheel hub and unit bearing. So I've got this axle here to kind of demonstrate how that works. So in a traditional setup, your unit bearing, as I'm taking out here, is in line with the center of your axle, and we'll replace it with our 3D printed prototype portal. The wheel mount surface drops down from the center line of the axle to 4 inches below the axle. What does that mean for you? It means 4 inches of additional ground clearance underneath your axle. So you might be thinking, well, can I get that with a suspension lift? And the answer is not really. So with a suspension lift, you're actually lifting the chassis up relative to the axle, which gives you no additional axle clearance. The other big advantage of a portal axle is it has an additional gear reduction in the gearbox. And so that means your overall gear ratio has gotten lower. So for example, if you have 373 gears, you would end up with an effective ratio of 4.66. If you have 410 gears, you'd end up with an effective ratio of 513. And that just means you can run bigger tires. It also means that you get less torque and less stress on the components upstream from the portal. So your axle shaft, your U-joints, differential, everything else upstream. And that just means you're going to be able to hit the big obstacles with more confidence and less worrying about breaking components. So less stress on your axles and less stress on your wallet. Dial.